Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at DIA or Decentralized Information Asset or DIA. As you can see here, it has actually gone crazy and it even did a pretty big correction, going down from at least I think it was around $1 to as low as 58 cent, and again it's back up to 82 cents. So that is a pretty big move, and I think this is one of the highest coin in terms of volume on the Coinbase. As you can see here, it is in the top 30 or top 13, as you can see here. And if you look at its market cap, it's relatively low, so it's around 92 million. So that means it could actually go from something like 2x or even 3x from here if we look at its market cap. So that is one of the reasons why I am covering this coin, and I will try to actually break down this coin and why it could be one of the coin that could actually go 10x from here. So first of all, let's look at what the coin is about. So basically this is an oracle. As you can see here, they have various products. As you can see, they have data, they even have stakes, tools, chains. So there are a lot of things going on in this coin. So first of all, DIA is a trustless oracle network that delivers data feeds for any token, LST, RWA, random numbers, and more to any blockchain. The network is permissionless, enabling nodes and stakers to participate in distributed data sourcing secured by crypto economic and cryptographic mechanism. And DIA is native layer 2 rollup LaserNet execute all critical oracle operations, ensuring trustless computation and full they do have integrations with 100 plus data sources, and they do support a lot of blockchain, as you can see here. And this is their app. Actually, as you can see here, there are anyone can actually build oracle from here. They have data market, token market data. As you can see here, there are a lot of tokens, as you can see, and they do have some kind of product called fair value feeds. They have data sources, as you can see here. A lot of data sources are listed here, and they do have randomness as well, again, as you can see here. And if you look at supported chains, they do support a lot of chains. We have a lot of chains here. Basically, I think these are 50 plus, so that is a pretty big number, as you can see here. So when it comes to the ecosystem, first of all, we just discussed blockchains, and if we look at dApps, I think we do again have a lot of dApps listed here as well. So I think that's pretty massive for this coin as well. And if you look at the sources, and they do have, I think, a lot of sources again, so that's, I think, pretty big one. And if you look at the nodes, I think these are the nodes, so they don't have that many, but still I think that is a pretty big one for this project. So basically they again do have a lot of resources for the community as well. We have web3 AI map, we have Bitcoin ecosystem map, we even have liquid staking map, so that's pretty good one. We even have RAS landscape as well. So if you just look at the one map, as you can see here, you can find a lot of AI projects. As you can see here, these are all the AI projects, and you can also find various information here. So I think that is a massive deal for the community. So I think one of the reasons why this coin could be going up, because it is actually getting a lot of strong community. So I think that's pretty good one. And this is a Bitcoin ecosystem. Again, as you can see here, they do have again Bitcoin ecosystem. So I think the if you're looking for various resources when it comes to the Bitcoin and even AI, I think you can find a lot of these new projects or new potential projects that could actually 10x or even 20x depending on the development, and you can actually find them here. So I think that's pretty good one. And this is the RAS map as well. So I think overall this is one of the interesting projects when it comes to the community. So I think that is one of the reasons why this coin has a lot of is getting a lot of attraction as of now. So if you look at the token itself, basically it is a governance token as well as validated DIS crowdsourced data feed. So it only has two utilities from the looks of it. So as for the governance, as you can see here, anyone can actually participate in the governance. As you can see here, the latest vote they had were around, I think, around 9 months, so it is a pretty old one. But as of now, beside that, it only has other utility for the validation of the data. So I'm not sure how this coin is going to get a lot of demand, but it seems to be that many community members are using this coin for the data feed. So I think that is one of the reasons why it does have a lot of demand as of now. And after that, we have coin tickers. As you can see here, we have where the coin is listed. So it's actually available on Coinbase, Binance, HTX. We have crypto.com, so it is available on pretty big exchanges. So I think that's pretty good for this coin. So now let's look at why the coin is actually going up. So I will just try to show you something on the Twitter. So as you can see here, the starting point or the starting pump for this coin actually started happening on 29th September. And if we start from here, and so this is the only tweet they have. So they have something called which part of DIA, Lumina, new Oracle stake is anyone actually excited about? So the answer is basically LaserNet layer 2 rollup. So the votes are pretty normal, but I think most of the people I think are most likely excited about LaserNet. So basically they had this partnership with Dfolio, so it's not a big one, but so this was a partnership on 29th. As you can see here, another thing that they had was just 2 days left until their chain in focus space featuring stakes, which is a leading Bitcoin layer 2, as you can see here. And beside that, they did have this they were actually in Singapore, as you can see here, so that could be one of the reasons why it did go up. And DIA at Masari Crypto Mainnet, that could be another reasons why it could have gone up. I'm not sure. They had AMA, but I think one of the biggest thing that they had going on was most likely because of, I think, just a second. So actually the token or DIA got actually listed on Binance Future, so that could be one of the reasons why it could have gone up, as you can see. But on that exact day, it actually went down, as you can see here. I think many people shorted, so that could be one of the reasons why the coin went down. So after that, if we look at another news, okay, so as you can see here, we don't have that big of a news beside that. So they just have some kind of transparency report, so that could be one of the reasons. I'm not sure why it actually went up again. So still, overall, I think this coin, if you look at the oracles in general, so these are the oracles category. If you look at the Chainlink is doing pretty awesome in the last 30 days. And if you look at Pyth, that these are the 2 biggest oracles when it comes to the market cap, as you can see, with over $1 billion market cap. So Pyth is a pretty big one. Even the if you look at Chainlink, so both of these are pretty big one. And if you look at the third one, which is UMA, which is not even close, as you can see here. So I think DIA is somewhere around here, so it is actually performing very well. As you can see, it's up in last 30 days over 145%. So I think it could actually go and end up hitting 200 million is a possibility, or even 300 million. So if it does become the third biggest one, I think this could actually end up hitting 500. That is a possibility. And when it comes to its price, or when it comes to its supply, as you can see here, compared to others, it does have, I think, around 60% or 55% of the supply is in the circulation, so that's pretty good one. And it does have as high as $5, so it's trading around $1. So that means there is a big possibility that this coin could actually end up hitting 300 million market cap, or even I think 150 or 180 is a possibility. So I think if the hype around DIA continues, I think this could actually go 2x from here. But as of now, if you look at the chart, and if we look at just a second, so if we look at the chart, we do have a pretty big demand zone somewhere around here. So I think we will most likely, okay, so it did not break the recent high, which was around 90, I think it was around 96 cents. So if it does go up again, and if it does not break this high, so I think it will most likely go down. But if it does go again up here and it ends up breaking this high, I think we could be heading towards another high, which could be somewhere around, I think it could be actually going towards 1.19. That's the possibility, because first of all we do need to break this recent high, which was around 97 cents. So that seems to be a pretty strong resistance as of now. But from the looks of the, so I am using this new indicator which is called ERSI. So this blue, once this blue line actually crosses this pink line, that means that there is a lot of buying happening. But as of now the blue line is going down, so that means we may actually be in overbought zone. So if it does come under this green zone, I think it could be a good buying opportunity. But I think it will most likely come under the green zone once the token does come under 61 cent or even 70 cents. So that could be a pretty good point for this coin as of now. But still, I think as of now this is a pretty risky coin to buy as of now, because if you look at if you just look at its, if you use the Fibonacci tool here, as you can see here, it did the correction of around 78%, so it is going up again. So I think it will most likely come around 68 cent, and after that it could actually go up. So as of now my target would be 60 or 70 cent. If you're planning to buy, that could be a pretty good entry point, but do keep in mind that it is a pretty risky entry, because there is no way to know where the coin will go. So if you're planning to buy and hold this coin, it would be better if you dollar cost average this coin, and if you're planning to trade it, I think the best entry as of now is around 70 cents. So anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.